Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Chris Cooper, known as the Channel Guy Trader, and I'm reporting to you live from Wall Street Trading's Miami office down in sunny South Florida. Today's date is Monday, August the 26th, 2013, and here is today's midday market update brought to you by wallstreettrading.com. I want to take a look to see how the indices are trading so far for the session here. The Dow Jones is up 25 points. The Nasdaq is up 22. The S&P is up 4. The Russell and the Dow are up. If we take a look at some of the key sectors here, starting off with the commodity sector, crude oil via the USO is down 14 cents. GDX gold had a nice little move on the open. Actually, it traded sideways a little bit on the open, but then it started to attempted to break out, but then it pulled back in. Silver was the one that was trading much stronger, which is now turned back negative. Had a nice little breakout, but has given back all those gains. SLV pretty much now flat, down 2 cents as the silver futures had a nice little pop and they faded those back down. Copper, JJC very weak, down 50 cents here. Gold miners are showing some nice strength today. There's definitely been some action in some of the gold mining stocks and some of the material sectors. So let's go ahead and take a look at the market to see what we have going on today. A couple of levels that we gave out on the room to watch as support: 1660, 1658, 1654. Resistance levels on the ES that we gave out: 1665, 1667, 1672. You can see that we hit 1667. This is our 30-minute chart on the Nasdaq. I'm sorry, on the ES here. You can see we hit that 1667 level, the overnight high, flicked past, and it came right back in, and now we're pulling back into a rising 8 EMA on the 30-minute chart here. So we'll see if that holds up. You can see the 15-minute chart, nice little move up, pulling back here slowly. As you can see, for the past hour or so, we've been getting these little consecutive lower closes, but volume's pretty light today, and we're just kind of grinding higher. A lot of people are waiting for better news, data points to work off of to trade this market. As you know, we're still trying to find out. These buyers are definitely going to come in and keep this. This is the low that we put in for the dip buy down here, and now we're going to rally back up towards the highs. We're going to get some shake and bake action. Volume wise, again, pretty light today. You can see volume pretty much chopped off the map after 10, 15 or so. It's been pretty low compared to the volume that we had coming in, and now volume's pretty steady there, not really doing much. As far as some key stocks, there's a lot of key stocks out there that are moving. Let's just finish going over the indices here, starting off with the ETFs now. SPY 166.80. Nice little move up, pulling back in here. Hit a high of 167.33. As long as we get hold above this 167 area, I think we should be fine or better. As long as we get hold above the previous day's highs, that'll be pretty good. Nasdaq, strongest index. Take a look at the triple Qs. 77.18. I believe if it makes a move up towards 77.25. Yeah, let's see here. If it makes a move over 77.27, it'll be making new 52-week highs. We hit a high today of 77.22 so far. So keep an eye on the Nasdaq. And then Russell 2000, nice little move up out the gate, trading sideways here. As far as some key stocks to watch, some key stocks that you should have on your radar. The biotech sector was pretty hot from Amgen, putting in a bid, if I'm not mistaken, for ONXX. You can see Amgen actually gave some more juice on the open. That was a decent trade to be had right there. We did not get any of that. We did not even trade it, but that was definitely a stock that you should have been watching on your watch list. And got to keep an eye on it now. Is it going to fade, or is it going to try to hold this nice little support that it built around this little 114 to 113 half area in this little zone right here? We got to watch that. High of the day 116.25. Again, ONXX caught the bid, and this stock faded down a little bit. Really not the stock you want to trade. Of course, Amgen was the stock to trade. They sold this one off. But some of the other biotechs are moving. For example, you can take a look at Kirk's. All right, Kirk is another little cheap stock, getting a nice little move to the top side. You definitely want to keep that one on radar. Q-Core is getting a nice little action in the biotech sector. All right, let me see what else is going on. GILD near the top. Celgene. All the biotech stocks are moving. REG, and so the biotech sector is definitely in play. And then we have the home builders are looking pretty nice today. XHB near the top of the change from open list. You can see Toll Brothers right now is flagging on the 5-minute chart. You can see it cleaner on the 50-minute chart, or better yet, you can see it cleaner on the hourly chart here. Flagging with a nice little support down here around 31.53. Keep this one on your radar. Let's see. Lennar had a nice little move up out the gate, pulling back in a bit. KBH. Again, this one's flagging right here. See here, some action in the retail stocks, but pretty much again it's pretty mixed today, guys. There's not really a standout sector except for the biotechs really. The coal stocks were strong out the gate, but then they gave back some action. Let's see, I'm seeing some action in Monsanto. Monsanto's looks like it's up there. Yeah, Monsanto, some nice action in that stock right there. There's some moves out there. Apple's up 1.5%. LinkedIn, Tesla. Yeah, let's not forget about those. You got LinkedIn moving pretty decent today. Nice little move there. Again, LinkedIn's moving. That's right. Facebook is moving. Had a couple trades in the room trading this one, watching this one as well. Facebook's moving. Tesla, Netflix. So there are some large cap technology stocks out there moving. There's some stocks at the Nasdaq. Again, the Nasdaq is the strongest index here today. Netflix, nice move up here. The casinos are in play. We've been watching the casinos, MGM, LVS win. LVS is a choppier one. It's not really doing much trading sideways, but keep an eye on MGM and keep an eye on Win. They may fade back a little bit from the morning run up, but see if they get some buyers back in the names in the afternoon, in the later part of the afternoon session. All right, folks, have a great day. Make sure you check out the website wallstreettrading.com for videos, a lot of education information. If you're interested in taking our education course or joining our prop firm, contact me at ccooper at wallstreettrading.com. We also have a live intraday chat room that you're more than welcome to come in. It's mywallstreettv.com. The password to log in is SMART, SMART. Cheers. Have a good day.